Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you will see how to run multiple operating systems from a single USB flash drive. For that you need to create multi-OS bootable USB drive. Once you create a multi-boot USB, you can boot your computer from the USB drive and choose which operating system you want to install. So let's create the multi-ISO USB drive with the following steps. To put multiple operating system flash drive, we will be using a tool called Ventoy. Go to Google and search Ventoy. Go to downloads, Ventoy windows.zip. This is for Linux, so I choose Windows. Download latest version. Click this option. Your download will start shortly. Let's see. Extract all. Go to the extracted folder. Run to the file Ventoy to disk. This one. Insert USB flash drive. Now choose the USB flash drive. Click install button. It will format the USB drive. Click yes. Ventoy has been successfully installed. Click OK. Close all. Open file folder. After that, USB renamed as Ventoy. And consider, and I already downloaded some operating systems. Copy and paste it into Ventoy USB drive. After pasting, remove USB drive and insert. So this USB is multi-bootable. See this option. This is my USB drive. This is multi-bootable option. This is automatically came. Let's check now USB working or not.